I tried ChatGPT to build a dropshipping store for me, and this is how it went. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. Today I'm going to be showing you a great AI which is called ChatGPT, and it was made by the production company known as OpenAI. And I'm going to be showing you how I used ChatGPT to create a Shopify or maybe any dropshipping store for me, and I'm going to show you how it went. And it went great. It went amazing. Let me tell you, this AI works charms. It works amazingly, and it tells you the greatest way to make money. And dropshipping is nowadays one of the best ways that you can make money for yourselves. So just start your dropshipping and make some easy money. And to obviously make your business go booming, you need to use ChatGPT because it's an AI that helps you. It's a friend that basically gives you the best business dropshipping techniques ever. So we're just going to get into all of that, and I'm going to show you how it went. So just sit back, relax, and watch this video till the end to properly know how things went when I asked it to create a dropshipping store for me. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first of all, let's discuss about OpenAI. So OpenAI is obviously an artificial intelligence company, and it's the company that created ChatGPT. So if we go to the openai.com website, we can see that OpenAI is a great company which obviously works on shaping the future of technology. And obviously technology is shaped using all the different researches and all the different projects they make. And OpenAI just works great because it works on the augmented reality, the artificial intelligence, on all different software coding programs. And it researches on them. It makes AI 3D arts, as you can see, makes different APIs, etc. And their latest, most recent project is ChatGPT, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. And for that, obviously, we're going to come up here where it says introducing ChatGPT research release. And we're going to click on try. Once we click on try, what it's going to do is it's going to bring us here to this black dashboard. Now, I know it doesn't look like much. It doesn't look like much at all because it looks very empty. But we don't really need anything because what we need is down here in this type bar. Now, once you click on the type bar, what's going to happen is you're going to write anything that you want. Now, if you don't know how to use ChatGPT, I'm going to tell you all of it right now. So this is the most crucial part. So just keep watching. Now, to start off a friendly chat, first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to write, hi. You can put in your name if you want. So I'm just going to write, my name is John, and I would like to know if you can help me with a business idea. And then, hello, John, I'd be happy to help you with your business idea. Can you tell me a bit more about your idea and what kind of help you're looking for? And you can write, I want to create a drop shipping store and I want to make a lot of money. You can put that in. And dropshipping can be a viable business model as it allows you to sell products online without having to worry about inventory or fulfillment. Here are some steps you can follow to get started with your dropshipping store. Research the market and choose a niche. Start by identifying a specific product or group of products that you want to sell. It's important to choose a niche that you are interested in and that has a proven demand. You need to find a good supplier, because once you've chosen a niche, you'll need to find a supplier or a manufacturer who can provide the products you want to sell. Then you can set up an online store. And there are great ways to set up your online store like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, maybe Wix, or other websites like that. Then obviously you're going to need to promote your store because you're going to need to do proper advertising and marketing, because without that, no one will really come to your store. And then obviously fulfill your orders. When an order is placed on your store, you'll need to forward the customer's information and order details to the supplier who you have the product from. And then that supplier will ship the product directly to the customer. Now, obviously, if this doesn't make sense, you can write, can you please elaborate more on the topic? And then certainly here are a few more details about starting a dropshipping business. And it just gives you more details if there are any that it can give you. So as you can see, it takes these details and it just gives you more information on it. So once you obviously are familiarized and know how to work with all of this, then what you can do is you can start asking the big questions. And those big questions can be questions like let's say what product, like, because right now it's December, it's the Christmas season, so we can write what product is the best to sell or to drop ship in the Christmas. Let me just make sure to write the correct spelling because ChatGPT is very case sensitive. What products? Make sure to write products. Don't choose one product. That's just risky. What products are the best to drop ship in the Christmas time? You can write that down. And it's going to give you during the holiday season, there are many products that tend to sell well as gifts or for personal use. Some ideas for products that might be good to dropship during the Christmas season include decorations. Now, yes, decorations, people use tons and tons of decorations, like holiday decorations such as tree ornaments, lights, wreaths, which are popular during Christmas seasons. Clothing and accessories, obviously, people love warm and big clothes that keep them extremely cozy. Then comes toys, foods and drinks, home goods, etc. It's also a good idea to keep an eye on trends and popular products. And obviously, for that, you can use Google Trends or social media like TikTok or Instagram. Now we can write what product from the above makes the most money to dropship. Now, if we write that, it's difficult to say which specific product will make the most money dropship, as it well depends on many factors such as demand for the product, etc. So it obviously depends on the niche and the seller. So once you gather all this information, you can also look up, obviously don't only go for the Christmas season, what products, let's say, will be best for drop shipping in the month of December. So I'm just going to write that in. And again, it gives us the holiday season. We can use winters as our call, etc. This is basically just for the products and different ways to make money and obviously different techniques. Then you can also ask it what store or what e-commerce website is the best for drop shipping. You can. This is also an important question. So again, there's no best e-commerce platform, but there are when it comes to basically different things like cost. Some e-commerce platforms have monthly fees or transaction fees. Now, if you and this is a basic fact that every e-commerce website has a fee. No e-commerce website lets you create a domain for free. They have a fee that you have to pay. Then you can also go with ease of use. If you're new to e-commerce, you may want to choose a platform that is easy to use and has good documentation and support. And then obviously the integrations, because websites like Shopify or WooCommerce or WordPress have great integration software. So you can integrate them with eBay or dropshipping.com or websites like CJ Dropshipping, etc. And then obviously the design and customizations, because the level of design and customizations when it comes to setting up your dropshipping website will matter a lot, because it's very obvious that you're going to need to have a good design and customization to attract the eye of the audience. So some popular e-commerce platforms for dropshipping include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, as I just told you. So you can go with the ChatGPT opinions and you can use one of these to obviously start your dropshipping store. But yeah, basically that is all. You can ask more questions about dropshipping if you want to from ChatGPT. But yeah, that is basically all from me. And I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know down in the comments below. And if you liked this video and enjoyed it, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel because it helps me out a lot. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. I'll see you all next time. And that was all from me. Goodbye.